Hey guys, it's Brianna, and I thought I would share with you an experiment that I did recently, which was embroidering on a structured hat without a multi-needle machine. I know, it sounds crazy because I've always told people I can't embroider on hats because I only have a single needle machine. Here's the hat my sister wanted me to create. This is literally the only time in this embroidery process that I was able to film because otherwise I had to have my fingers on the hat at all times to make sure that it wasn't going to shift or get stuck, because as you can see the bill is right there, so sometimes it would get stuck when it was moving around. I ended up deciding to use water soluble stabilizer so it wouldn't be seen from the inside because I didn't have any tearaway stabilizer. I used 3 layers of it on top of each other to maximize its strength. Pinned it on there and held my fingers on there. My fingers cramped up so much from keeping it on the hat, making sure that I wasn't going to get my fingers with the needle because, oh my goodness, scary. I've seen so many people do that and it is terrifying to me. I tried really hard to stay away from the structured lines of the hat or the frame, whatever you want to call it, because that part was really hard on the machine. So yes, it is possible to embroider on a structured hat. Do I recommend it? Absolutely not. It says lasagna. As you can see, the sanya is kind of slanted down because I'm embroidering on a curved surface. That wasn't possible not to keep it from doing that. The Garfield part turned out super thick because it has a lot of layers to it. If you're doing a layered design and you're wanting to stitch it onto a hat, I would definitely recommend switching to a patch and ironing it on the hat. You won't have to worry about if the patch is going to come off because likeliness is you're not going to be washing the hat a lot. But the lasagna part wasn't that bad, and I started with a hat, of course, that said LA on it because this gift was for a baseball fan that liked Garfield, and that's why it's like a play on words and just kind of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions about this project, please let me know down below and I will do my best to answer them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!